Ladies who are working in the saloons are no longer working. With less travel, it also means the matatus and all these people don't have. Certain businesses have since closed. We removed our stages from here to there, so the people who are enjoying the business around there also have no business. And cumulatively, you get into a situation where people who could feed themselves are no longer able to feed themselves. People who could clothe themselves cannot clothe themselves. People who are paying rent normally over time can no longer pay rent. Now we are looking at secondary areas where we can hold the patients and treat them. And we are working with institutions of learning, with boarding facilities. And we have already done a letter of intention to take some of them should the conditions escalate.
Nakuru County Integrated Transformation Network is preparing to be able to disperse and to distribute almost 2,500 masks to help the people in the market and the matatu area, which is the area of transportation, and also even the border people, that we are going to be involved in that.